Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Recovering a CRS, cluster-ready services, stack when an ASM OCRVOTE disk is missing. This tutorial provides a detailed guide on recovering a cluster-ready services, CRS, stack in an Oracle ASM environment when one of the OCRVOTE disks is missing or corrupted. Losing an OCRVOTE disk can lead to severe consequences, including cluster instability, resource unavailability, and potential downtime. This document covers the necessary steps for identifying the problem, diagnosing the extent of the damage, and implementing the appropriate recovery procedures. Understanding the importance of OCRVOTE disks *OCR, Oracle Cluster Registry stores critical cluster configuration information, including node membership, resource definitions, and dependency information. Think of it as the brain of the cluster.